Hello everyone and welcome back to another space engine video. So today we are going to be continuing on with objects that you guys have submitted for me to check out in these videos, and from what I've seen so far we've got 4 objects here, and 2 of them especially seem to be very unique and rare, so we're going to be heading on that straight away. But yeah, first of all we're just still at the planet with the blue grass here, but let's just head away from that one and let's go straight into the menu here. I don't need to do any cuts or anything for this time round, as yeah, they're all copied and pasted, so I don't need to type them out manually. So, right, the first object we are checking out today, apparently it's Earth-like, and it has a continent that looks like Asia. So we can, let's go ahead and see what is going on over here. Right, temperate marine Earth with life. Right, here we go. So apparently this has a continent that looks like Asia, so I wonder where that is. It looks very lifelike here as well, temperate marine Earth. You can see a lot of green on it. Looking good already. Let me just turn down the stars just a tad bit, so I like to have them a little dimmer. But yeah, let's have a look under here, and you can also see the rings. Now, do I remember this from last episode? If I turn on this, it's ambient lighting. There we go. Now I remember. So let's have a look at this object. Yeah, look at all of those moons it has as well. Nice set of rings on it. We can see it looks to be tidally locked. Yep, I want to say that's all frozen. Or is it? Let's actually just play, because it could be the ambient lighting just fooling with us. Is it tidally locked? No, it isn't. So yeah, we can see it's rotating around. That's not ice, that's just the ambient lighting making it look different in colour there. But let's see if we can find this continent that looks like Asia. I'm guessing is it this area here? Having a look around. I'm not seeing... I'm guessing maybe it's that one? I don't know. I'm not sure. I guess you can make out... I guess it kind of looks in a way. I mean, I don't know. But yeah, there we are. So that is the world. It looks really nice, I have to say, with the rings as well. Let's pause it. What we can do is we can go onto the surface now. So let's see here. So let's just go all the way down. Let's see what it looks like from the ground. So obviously we've got regular good old green grass here. Oh, look how that's very green. Right, so looks completely Earth-like. But if we look up in the sky, you can see the rings, the stars, the moon. Look at the moons as well. Don't forget the moons. That's a massive moon over there. You can see all the rings. I mean, how cool is that? I'm guessing our contrast settings makes them more visible. Yeah, it does. So normally you probably wouldn't even be able to see them, but if we put our ambient all the way up, you can actually check them out, which I think that's awesome. Let's see, any other interesting areas to check out on the surface here? I think I saw some desert-like areas. Let's see what they look like. So we've got like beaches, beach areas here. So let's see the some more sandy areas near the coastline here. So let's slow it down, have a little look. So here we go. So we can see some nice beaches. That looks pretty cool. There's also a mountain over there I wouldn't mind checking out. So let's head over here. But yeah, let's actually just get a little look on the sandy area here, just to see the texture if it loads up. So what we got? Yeah, you can see the sand, the pebbly beach, the sandy beach as well. Bit of that mixed in there. Then we have obviously the mountain over here. That's pretty cool. It's a little mountainous island just off the mainland coast there. But yeah, overall, a very nice looking world. ESI, it's got 0.972, so yeah, pretty good stats there. But yeah, overall, that is a really nice Earth-like looking world. Let's see if we've got any... So there's the big moon we saw from the planet itself. Let's actually have a little peek on the moon. So we can see it's actually receiving light from the parent planet, reflecting light back onto it. So we can see the nighttime side here. It's slightly lit up. That may be due to our settings. Let's put it back to default. So yeah, even with default settings, it's still got a little light on this side being reflected back. So if we land on our moon here. So yeah, completely normal looking moon, but you can still see it is slightly lit up from our parent planet in the night sky, and that is a beautiful shot. I mean, look at that. I may have to screenshot that or just save it as a location, because that is a really cool shot there. Let's just slow it down. Look at that. Wowee. So, oh, I've completely smashed into a crater there. Right, so let's just get on the... That is gorgeous looking. Look at that. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to save that in our thing. Which one is it? It's a flag, isn't it? Add. This location, there we go. It's a sweet looking thing. And yeah, it seems like since I've done my computer upgrade, it doesn't do these blurry static images anymore. It's all fixed, which is sweet. But yeah, look at that. Let's get actually a surface look. Actually watch it in action and just enjoy. Now our computer's all working. We don't have to worry about anything breaking, so we can just enjoy this in playing. So we can see it's loading up. We've got the main starlight as well. So if we look over there. But yeah, there's the planet. So we can see all the other moons going around as well. If we how many is there? If we go on Let's just have a little brief look. So we can see the Earth-like world here. That looks really cool. So it has got 9 moons. We are on 4.1, I'm guessing, the biggest one. But overall, there's all the other moons. You can see there is absolutely loads of them. But yeah, we can now let's close that off. But yeah, just look at that. That is awesome. And if we turn up our ambient, you can see the light or the rings should be there a little easier. But yeah, look at that. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous moonshot of the parent planet there. It's definitely a good start to today's episode there. But yeah, that is awesome. So let's just go ahead and leave the moon be as we recede from the planet now. But yeah, that is a gorgeous Earth-like world there. Right, so let's see. Is there any other interesting planets in the system? If we just get a quick lineup of everyone. So what have we got over here? So let's just pause it. Right, so how are we doing? It's a little weird to navigate this menu. But yeah, there's obviously our Earth-like world. None of the other worlds seem anything of interest here, but there is the full system there. So yeah, real sweet system to start the day off here. Right, so now where are we heading next? So yeah, that was from the user Earwasp in Discord. So massive thank you to them for sending that in. That is a beautiful looking world. Right, next up we got one from Mad Planet Guy again. So let's see what he has sent in here. No description for this, so I have no idea what we're going to be checking out here. But let's go ahead and enter it in. Right, so temperate arid Earth. Right, what we got? Right, here we go. It's got a 0.999 ESI, so that's the magic of this world. It's one of those ultra rare 999 worlds. So I don't think anyone's found 1.0 yet, because I'm guessing that literally is Earth. Nothing can be exactly the same as Earth, but yeah, we've got another world very similar. Yeah, almost 100% there, so 9.99. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff there. But let's see this world. So size-wise, yeah, roughly, yeah, I mean, it is roughly Earth stats, isn't it? Because it's got a very high ESI. Let's check the surface out, see if there's anything interesting below here. Is there any... So it has got an atmosphere, as we can see. So it's a blue ATM. Clouds. Oh, so the clouds were switched off. Oh, dear. I had the clouds switched off the whole time. Oh, we'll have to quickly head to the other world. We were just at again, actually. I want to see that with clouds. But this golden clouds with a blue atmosphere there, yeah, like yellow golden clouds. That is a gorgeous looking world with those clouds. I didn't realise I had my clouds switched off, but yeah, look at that. That's awesome. So let's have a little look on the surface now with a blue sky, yellow clouds. That's a gorgeous, look at that. Wowee, that is nice. Blues, look at those clouds. Let's have the, so where's our sun as well? So there's the sun. Now let's click play. Let's just watch the clouds in motion. Look at that. That is awesome. Just seeing those clouds go by, wowee, that's really cool. So if we zoom out again, so look at those gorgeous clouds. Looks absolutely awesome. So right, that is our 999 ESI world of the day. So yeah, very sweet looking world there. Any other worlds of interest around the star? We've got a purple planet there. Let's look at that. So let's go ahead and pause it. Get a full lineup of the systems. Right, so we'll have a look at all of the objects as well. Might as well have a little peek. So we're at A5 right now. That's the world we're at. So yeah, around star A. So here's the rest of the worlds there. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys to keep up with. But yeah, there's all the worlds. A11 looks quite cool. Look at that. Let's just have a little zoom in on that. So like a blue and white cratered world there. Looks quite cool. Now if we head to the second star down here. So where's that purple gas giant? Yeah, we're going to have a close look at that in a minute. And then there is the rest. We've got a massive gas giant there. Look at the size of that one. So there we are. 107,000 diameter. So that's pretty large. But yeah, let's go ahead and head to the purple one. So just go out of the menu here. And let's head straight to that purple one. So it's a hot Neptune. But here we go. So purple atmosphere. So I'm guessing if we turn the atmosphere off, there you go. That's what it looks like underneath it. That purple really makes it look unique. Look at that. That's a nice shade of purple there. And if we play it, just enjoy all the moons going around as well there. Yeah, that's a cool looking warm Neptune there. So orbit mode doesn't show any of the moon orbits. But yeah, overall, I mean, look at all the moons it's got. Some of them are going the wrong way round as well. Like Triton around Neptune. So that's pretty awesome. So we've got, oh yeah, moon going the wrong way round. Look at that. So all these ones are all going clockwise, but we have an anti-clockwise one here as well. That's awesome. Forgotten the name of objects that go around that way. I can't remember the name. There's a special term for objects that do that. But yeah, I'm sure someone will remind me in the comments. But yeah, that's a gorgeous looking world. But yeah, before we head on to the next world, I'm going to hop back to the world we were just at. So that sweet looking Earth-like world. Yeah, I want to see it with its clouds because we had clouds switched off the entire time. So let's quickly hop back there. Alrighty. So temperate marine Earth. Right, what we got? So with its clouds on, there we go. It looks even better with its clouds now. Look at that. Very nice indeed. So yeah, we were viewing it like this the whole time. It still looks good, but with the clouds, it just has that little extra to it. Looking good. And I think for anyone who wants to see it, we will go on the moon quickly and view it with the clouds as well. So let's quickly hop back on the surface here. So just slow her down. Look at the planets. There we go. So with the clouds, and then we'll just quickly enjoy it as we go around here. So the clouds, nice little extra to the visuals here. Nice sunrise there. But yeah, that is one of the best looking Earth-like worlds I think I've seen in making these space engine videos. That is a gorgeous looking world. But yeah, there we go. So enough of me enjoying the sights. Let's move on to the next world now. So world number 3. Right, so this is from the user Avandor in Discord. So massive thank you to them for sending this in. So this one is, it's got a lot. Okay, so it's located near a star cluster. Right, so let's actually just head to the world first, so we can actually see it while we're just doing the description. Right, so go to. Right, so it's got a star cluster, the oldest real exoplanet. Okay. So then that seems pretty cool. That's a purple moon as well. Look at that. Right. So on top of that, it's an Earth-like planet with a sort of compact TRAPPIST-1-like system. Okay, so you can see the other planets from the surface of this planet. Oh, we're definitely going to be doing that then. Except this has an ultra-cool red dwarf as the companion solar system. Okay. So it's a binary system. Right. You can see some nice nebula in the background. Let's just see here. So yeah, binary system. Right. So the oldest real exoplanet is here. So it's called Methusla. However you say that, but I'm sure you guys will. Yeah, I'm probably completely butchered that pronunciation. But yeah, the oldest known, or the oldest real exoplanet is here. Also an interesting note, this planet is the outermost planet of the red dwarf, yet all the other planets closer are ice worlds. So we've got some powerful greenhouse gases here. So it's ocean, you can see there's water on it. That is pretty cool. And finally, the planet has a moon, a pink moon. It has small rivers of liquid carbon dioxide. They're hard to spot. We'll have to look for them carefully, but you can also check in the moon's composition settings. Right. So let's check this system out. So obviously the planet here. I wonder where that oldest exoplanet is. Is it? Because it hasn't got its name. They're just called A1, A2, A5. So I don't actually know which object is the oldest exoplanet in all of these. Or the oldest discovered, I'm guessing, or was it oldest known or oldest real exoplanet? So I'm guessing it's age, not oldest as in how long we've discovered it. But yeah, just take a note here as well. The planet's nighttime side is lit up pink. That's pretty cool. I mean, look at look at that moon over there. But yeah, the planet itself 0.934 ESI. We'll have a little peek on the surface as well here. We can see some volcanoes on there, looking pretty cool. So it's just crash down onto the surface here, so we've got like a greyish pinkish atmosphere colour. The surface looks very red indeed. Oh no, it's actually the pinkish grass, so that's obviously because it's got a red dwarf star, so we don't have green grass here, so that's completely different. So photosynthesis is completely different over here. Volcano as well up the top there, got nice different rock colours and stuff. Got a little beach on the side, a sandy beach, as we can see. That's pretty cool. Alright, so it's zooming out. So overall, yeah, pretty cool world. It's got doesn't look too friendly from space, but if you get closer, you can see it is that pinkish grass, pinkish flower grass. Obviously, because it's the red dwarf star. A lot of volcanoes on this world as well. But yeah, that is the world. But now moving on to the most unique thing of this system. Look at the moon. What is going on here? So clouds off, atmosphere off. So no, oh no, that's water. Atmosphere. Oh, no, I did comment trails, so let's just put that back on. So there's atmosphere. So it's a pink atmosphered moon. Oh, and it's obviously got clouds as well. So that's what it looks like underneath. Now, let's see if we can discover the river. So we can go on the info. So here's the stats. So SO2 is the composition there instead of CO2 and H2O and all that. So yeah, this was, let's see, liquid carbon dioxide is on here. So that's pretty cool. Atmosphere there. Says all the other composition as well for anyone who is interested. So does it say about the ocean? I mean, it says, a sea's composition is SO2. So that is, the carbon dioxide, or liquid carbon dioxide. Sorry, I'm messing around there. So that is really cool. So we're going to have to try and find these rivers. So, oh no, let's look onto the moon itself. There we go. Right. So rivers, so water. Let's see if we can just try and discover where these oceans are, or these rivers. So he said they're quite hard to spot. So we're gonna have to really dig down and see if we can find. We'll see like a little volcano going on there. This looks to be a lot of mountainous terrain, so I'm not sure we'll find the rivers here. Yeah, very, very mountainous. That shot of the parent planet is amazing. I mean, what the heck is this? I mean, that is I'm getting a screenshot of that right now. What a shot that is with that pink atmosphere. I mean, this is naturally spawned. I didn't put any coloured settings in. I literally just travelled here. I mean, that is awesome. Wow, this has got to be one of the best moons we have found, or being shown in one of these episodes. I mean, I wasn't the one who found it. Remember, one of you guys sent this in, so yeah, massive thank you indeed. But yeah, oh, was that? What's this? Was that just a crack in the ground, or was that a river or something? And I think it was just no, it's just a little crack, like a little ravine there. Right. So there's another volcano there, another little pot of magma. But where is the river? So we'll turn the clouds off as well. No, water. So water is enabled. Okay. Right, where are the rivers? I want to find them. It's going to be very hard to spot them, isn't it? I mean, that's the cluster he was talking about. So he said, so where's it? So you can see, where does it say about the, did it say, no, never mind. I'm just being silly. But yeah, there's a huge cluster over there. Right, what's this? There's another, that's just a big crater. But where are the oceans? Where's the little rivers? There are rivers somewhere, so we just need to find them. Let's put so we can look a little brighter. There we go. Let's also let the object rotate around so we can get the other area in the day side. Yeah, I'm really struggling. I'm really struggling to find these little rivers. Is there anything in here? Anything in these cracks? Oh, hang on. Here we go. Oh, this is water. So we just, yes, we found it. So yeah. It's in the little crack. I mean, you wouldn't be able to spot that. I mean, it's just a little crack. But I was assuming maybe the water would be in the lowest elevation areas for obvious reasons. So, yeah, I had a little peek in here. And, yeah, the water is in here. Well, I say water. Remember, it's liquid carbon dioxide. So, yeah, not really the same. But check this out. So, it still appears blue. But if we put all of this stuff back on, what a shot that is as well. Look at that. With the sun coming through here as well. We'll definitely have to get a screenshot of that, I think. But wowee, look at that. So we can see, yeah, there's little pots of it in here. Not much oceans. I mean, this quite far down in this canyon, you can find all the water. But I mean, if we have a little look around, you can see this canyon does go on for a little while. So we can have a nice sort of trek through it as well. So let's just go all the way down here and have a nice little adventure through the thing. Let's put it back to default as well so we don't have any weird lighting going on. But yeah, check this out so we can have a full look in this ravine of the liquid carbon dioxide. So here we go. This is really cool, having to like check through this ravine here. Wowee. Yeah, carbon dioxide ocean. Oh, I say ocean, river, but yeah, that is awesome. That is really awesome. So if we just check out, oh, it's dried up. Wait, where did it end? So here we go. So the water is still there, and it looks like it dries up roughly here. Oh, we just completely smashed our heads onto the ground there. Right. So there we are. That is where the river ends. And then if we just keep heading this way in the ravine, it appears it's all completely gone. It's all dried up by the looks of it. Yeah. Looks like there may have been a river here at one point, but it's all gone. So any more at the end looks to be it. Unless the river picks up again, or another river picks up. But yeah, if we just keep hopping around here, yeah, that is awesome. But yeah, there is our liquid carbon dioxide rivers in those little cracks there on this world. And I'll see if you guys would like to check out the world for yourself. The name of it, top left of the screen. But yeah, there we are. Now, let's just get a view of that parent planet again from the atmosphere. So on the, oh, look at that. Wowee, that is absolutely gorgeous with the pink atmosphere on here as well. So let's just slow it down, get on the surface here, and just gaze upon that view. Look at that. So let's click play. We want to see this moving. Look at that. And the parent planet's all moving as well with it. I mean, that is beautiful. So look at that. Wow. So it looks like the planet isn't rotating. So I'm guessing we've got some entirely locked action going on here. Or have we? So let's just zoom out, actually. So what's going on here? So the moon's going around the planet. Oh, so the moon is tightly locked to the planet. Yeah, there we go. So we can see the same face of the moon is always facing the planet. Look at that. So yeah, this side here as well. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted to do. We just completely smashed in there. But if we go on the opposite side of the moon. So yeah, this face, I don't think ever faces the planet. So if we look. Yeah, so this face here is always facing away from the planet no matter where it is. So yeah, tidally locked. And then this side, it will be facing the planet constantly. So, yeah, pretty cool. So, tidally locked pink moon with carbon dioxide water or oceans on it or rivers. That is awesome. What a world this is. So, let's just get another little shot of our parent planet from the side that actually faces the planet. So, oh, that's going in. That's a beautiful sky there. But where's that? Yeah, even closer to the planet here. Now we're on the correct side of the world. But look at that. Wowee. So, there we are. What a view that is. And it's completely in our faces as well. I mean, imagine that in the sky all the time. Whoa, what's going on? I didn't click anything. What's going on here? Whoa, okay. So let's just back around from that. Oh, God, it looks like it's playing a little too fast just to keep up with here. But let's just go back on the surface again. And then there you go. So there's a nice view of the planet in action. Now let's speed it up. You can see, yep, the same face of the moon always faces the planet. You can see the planet doesn't move in the sky when you are sitting in the same spot. So it's completely tidally locked, so you can see the planet. All the clouds on the planet moving at this distance as well. I mean, that is awesome. That is absolutely awesome. So, right, there we go. But what a pairing those two are. Wow. So that is a real sweet system. But let's just get a look at the rest of the system now as well. So here we are. Right, so we've got A and B. So we can see the big star here, red dwarf. The second star is also a red dwarf, but a lot smaller. So, yeah, here are the worlds. That's a pretty cool gas giant there. A3, that's one of those weird super cloudy objects. And then A5 all the way over here. Righty. And then down to the objects that are in orbit of the binary, not in any individual star. So we've got this yellow Saturn lookalike, another rocky world, and also a nice blue looking world there. Looking good. Right, and then if we head all the way down, that's where our world we just were at. That B3 just one. It just sticks out to your eyes immediately with the colour it's got. I mean, that is very, very unique. Very, very awesome. Yeah, there is the full lineup of stars and planets. So yeah, what a system. That is awesome stuff. So there we are, the purple or the pink, purpley, magenta coloured moon. What a world that is. Right, now moving on to the last object of the day. So this one is some Mr. Missalot in Discord, so massive thanks to him as well. So this next one is a very rare planet type, a Helium Gas Giant. And it's in a cool star system as well, so we're going to have to check that out too. Right, so back into Space Engine. Let's get this copied and pasted in. Right, so Helium Gas Giant. So this seems pretty interesting. 100 moons? Right, here it is. So helium. So if we look in the stats, so where are we? Atmosphere. So helium. Yeah, there you go. It's a HE. So there it is there. And then H2 as well. So there, yeah, so I mean quite a lot of little stuff in here, but we can see the main ones are these three here. So yeah, Helium Gas Giant, pretty cool stuff. Look at that. So let's see. So the world visually, not the most appealing of worlds. It appears to be very blue. We can't really see much. So the atmosphere is switched off. Oh, so it's completely dark. I'm guessing that's why we can't see much. Is it just that far away from the star? It doesn't receive any light. What's going on? Put that up. And then turn this off. No, even with that turned on. So what if we try see if we can just get it to brighten up. Visual brightness. How about that? So even with brightness up, it doesn't do anything. What the heck? Can we do it? Can we turn anything up? That's exposure. We don't want to turn that up any higher. That's just galaxies. Okay, so I don't know. So this world's like Trace 2B, but it has a blue atmosphere on it. So we can't really see what's underneath that blue there. But yeah, that's the world. So either way, pretty cool. So it's apparently very rare with the helium. So that's yeah, pretty awesome. There we go, helium. 49.2% helium internal structure. No hydrogen whatsoever. That's a weird thing, because obviously with stars, hydrogen and helium are the most two common things you'd find, the most common elements. But here, it's somehow got helium, but no hydrogen? That is weird. Wow. That is very, very weird. So, water, icy. So it's a helium, icy, watery world. So like a helium ice giant. Metallic core. That's cool. That is really, really cool. Right, so that is the Helium Gas Giant. So, facts-wise, very interesting. Visual-wise, a little more of the boring end. But if we go onto the planets themselves, or the moon, or the whole system, I should say. So let's see what we've got here. Right. So the parent star, Orange Giant. Okay. And then if we look all the way down here, what have we got? So, right here is the full lineup of objects. Right. So we've got a warm Super Neptune. We've got some other very interesting worlds as well. Look at this. A7, that's quite colourful. Warm Arid Earth. Hot Mini Jupiter. This one looks quite nice as well. Hot Arid Earth again. This one's glowing, burning hot. Torrid Super Carbon. Wow, that's a... We'll definitely take a closer look at that one. A1 looks just another one of those bright ones. We do have our settings still quite high, I believe. Oh, no, I didn't want to do that. Let's just check. So... And then the settings are fine. Okay. Oh, no, reset to default. That's right. Right, now go back into it. Right, there we are. So, let's see here. So, they look any different or they look roughly the same? Yeah, they look roughly the same. I do want to check out A2, though. Right, now if we head all the way down to the other star. So, this is star B. And this is where our... Right, so is this a pulsar or a black hole or whatever? What is this? Oh, okay, there we go. So, it's this thing. Oh, it's a neutron star. Right. Don't think I've came across many neutron stars in this. So yeah, go. We had a cool looking black hole last time, and yeah, I was actually told that other black hole. Apparently, there's 2 types of black holes you can find. So that's the other one we found instead of the bright glowing one. I'll see if I can get the comment up quickly as well. So let me just bear with me here. But yeah, we've got a neutron star. Pretty cool find. So let's see what else we've got. Well, I'm just quickly hunting down this comment. Right. So let's see. Black hole. Whereabouts is the black hole? Well, that's the wrong video. What am I doing here? There we go. We want to go on the space engine one. But yeah, look at this B3 in the meantime. Bright red hot Neptune there. I mean, that's a pretty good whopper, isn't it? Look at that. Right, yeah, so here we go. I'm on the bluegrass video here. Right, let's just see. Anything on that black hole? Oh, yeah, so here we go. So there's supposed to be 2 types of black holes. So thanks to Evandor as well. He commented that. So there's supposed to be 2 black holes. So we have an active one with the swirling disc. And then there are inactive black holes, which is the one we saw last video. So that's why that black hole wasn't like glowing bright and all of that. So that's an inactive black hole. So it wasn't because of the update or my graphics or anything. It was simply because there's 2 types of black holes. So the more you know. So massive thanks to him for letting me know on that. There's the B7 Helium Gas Giant again. So that's the furthest one away. It's got, look at all the moons. I mean, that is crazy. And then onto the other planets around the neutron star. We've got this really cloudy looking one. Torrid Arid Earth there. Pretty cool stuff indeed. And then, yeah, the neutron star itself. So neutron star, how much mass does that have? Mass 1.3 masses of sun, I'm guessing that is. And then the other star, mass 4.4. So there we go. So they're in a binary together. Now, if we head out of the object menu here, let's go onto orbit mode. So let's see how this system is built. So where are we here? So where's the neutron star? So that's over here. So that's where we got selected right now, I think. Wait, no, what? Oh, no. Okay, so, oh, no, we didn't have it on the screen. So there's the orange giant. There's the neutron star. And then there, that is how the system works. If we just click play, just watch the system in action. So there we go. So they're in a binary, as we can see there. But yeah, I do want to head to the orange world. I do want to go to A2. I think it was down here. So let's see what we've got. So here we go. This just very, very hot looking world. I mean, it's kind of similar to one of the ones we checked out last episode, but I mean, that's quite close to that parent star. I mean, it's going to get absolutely roasted here. So temperature, where's temperature? 1,490 degrees Celsius. So as you can see, yeah, pretty dangerous looking world. It's got the ultra red hot clouds on it as well. But if we just look underneath here, obviously the surface is going to be glowing red hot rock. So as we look here, yeah, super hot rock at 1,490 degrees. So glowing hot there. But yeah, what a good looking world though. Blue atmosphere on it as well. But look at that. Yeah, it looks very dangerous here. So there we go. Let's just watch it in action as well. That is way too fast. So let's just slow it down as we finish up for today's episode. But again, yeah, guys, a massive thank you to everyone who sent their objects in for me to check out. And this, yeah, that was a really good one today. We've got some really cool objects, really unique objects. I think my favourite has to go to the pink carbon, it was carbon dioxide, wasn't it? Yeah, carbon dioxide, water, ocean world, or river world. That was really cool. But yeah, don't forget the other 2 objects I checked out. We had the 999 ESI. We also had the rare gas giant we just checked out as well. So yeah, overall 4 really rare types of object there. I mean, the Earth one's probably the most common, but still, it did look gorgeous. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed today's video as well. And also, if you'd like to send in your own objects for me to check out, then make sure to let me know the name of the object in the comments down below, or post it in my Discord server, and then I can just copy and paste the name in like I did today, and then we can check them out in these videos for everyone to see. So yeah, please keep that in mind there, if you would like to do that. And let's also see if we can go for 40 likes today for the pink moon and the awesome other worlds that we have seen. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, helps on the journey to 17,000 subscribers as well, guys. It means the world. Massive thank you to everyone who's recently subscribed and everyone who continues to come back to the videos every time. A huge thanks to you. And yeah, with that all said and done, guys, make sure you have a great day, stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.